Remove the battery packs. Use a 13mm socket and a 15mm open-end wrench to remove the 2 bolts and nuts securing the left and right sides of the seat. Remove the cable tie and disconnect the seat wire harness connector before removing the seat. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the rear cover. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 4 bolts securing the middle cover. Use a T20 bit to remove the 12 screws securing the top cover of the control box. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 5 bolts securing the 3-phase wiring harness contactors and the positive contactor strap. Use a T20 bit and an H4 bit to remove the 5 screws securing the left drive motor PCBA. Unplug the 2 wiring harnesses on both sides of the top of the PCBA. Replace it with a new left drive motor PCBA. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 2 screws on the 3-phase wiring harness side as well as the central screw on the opposite side. The recommended torque is 1 to 1.4 Nm or 9 to 12 Nlbs. Secure the remaining 2 screws using an H4 bit. The recommended torque is 4.5 to 5.3 Nm or 3.3 to 4 foot-pounds. Secure the 3-phase wiring harness and the positive contactors. The recommended torque is 4.3 to 5 Nm or 3 to 3.7 foot-pounds. Plug the 2 wiring harnesses in on top of the PCBA. Secure the control box top cover with the 12 screws. The recommended torque is 1 to 1.4 Nm or 8.9 to 12 inch-pounds. Secure the middle cover with the 4 screws. The recommended torque is 3 to 3.5 Nm or 2.2 to 2.5 foot-pounds. Secure the rear cover with the 4 screws. Plug the wire harness terminal in and install the cable tie. Secure the seat with the 2 bolts and nuts.